Hello friends, in this video I am going to show 4 important functions in Excel. That is nothing but maximum, max A, minimum, minimum A. Now let's see how to find maximum amount from the source table. Start typing equal to max, select the max function, select the range, close the bracket and click on enter. Max function returns the largest value from the set of values. Now let's see minimum value. Start typing equal to minimum function, select the minimum, select the data range, close the bracket and click on enter. Minimum function returns the smallest value from the set of values. Now we can see the maximum value and minimum value from the range. Next we'll see max A and minimum A function. This is the source table we have. First calculate max function. Equal to, search for max function, select the range, close the bracket and click on enter. If we change this number to true, let's see what happened. Even though it remains same. Now let's see what happened with max A function. Start typing equal to, search for max A function, select max A, select the data range, close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see the value 1. Max A returns the largest value in the list of arguments. Max A function counts true as 1. Now change the value to false. Calculate by using minimum function. Type equal to, search for minimum function, select the minimum function, select the data range, close the bracket and click on enter. Minimum function will not calculate the true or false values. Let's see by using minimum A function. Start typing equal to, search for minimum A, select the minimum A function, select the data range, close the bracket and click on enter. Now we can see the value 0. Minimum A returns the smallest value in the list. It counts false as 0. In this way we use minimum, maximum, maximum A and minimum A functions in Excel. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.